boys and girls, and today there is such a beautiful day today outside. And today we are going to learn about diagraphing phonics with CH and WH words. Diagraphing words are putting two letters together and making one sound. So today we are going to take CH and make one sound, make one word. And we're also going to take WH and make one sound. So if we take C and H and we put them together, what sound does that make? C and H. If we put C and H together, what sound does C and H make? C makes H make. So we put them together and they make one sound. So the sound that it makes when we put C and H together is what? Good. Say it with me. Such as in church, such as in chip, such as in chirp. CH, that is the digraph of CH. All right, so we go on to our next word letters that we will be putting together is W and H. W and H, what sound, if we put W and H together, what sound does WH make? Come on, I need everyone to practice it. Everyone. Okay, if the letter W makes w, and the letter H make w, WH makes the sound w. Everybody say it with me. W. W. All right, guys. We're going to start today off with a little guessing game. First, I'm going to start off with showing you the CH word. All right. And if you can you guys pull out a piece of paper for me and follow with me? All right, guys. The first CH word that we're going to start with. If anyone can guess this word, what do you think it would be? I'm going to start slow with you guys. So we have CH. I'm going to give you this word. I. Can you guys come up with the next two words? I'm going to give you a hint. You can eat these. Chips. Good, guys. Chips. 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 Say it with me. Chips. 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 All right. The next word. We're going to go with a WH word. So we're going to go WH. This is something you ask when you get in a car and you don't know what. You ask your parents, blank, going. Going to give you the word. E. R. E. Where? Where? Mom, where are we going? Say it with me. Mom, where are we going? Can you say it with me? Air. Where are we going? All right, on the next one. I am going to see if you guys can do the first one by yourself. I'm going to tell you, this CH word is a place where we go on Sundays or maybe even on Wednesdays. Can you guys tell me what the word is? I think I heard it. Good. Church. Church. How many of us go to church? Raise your hand. How many of us goes to church? Good. That's good. That's good. Can we say this word together? Church. Church. Say it with me. Church. Church. All right, on to the next W word. The next W word is something when you are asking someone a question, or if someone's asking you a question, they didn't hear you. Someone didn't hear you, and they say, what are they saying? What are they saying? What? Good. Good. What? 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 What did you say? Or what are you doing? What is used for a question? What? What? Right? And the last one that we are going to use is kind of easy, so let's see if anyone can get this. WH, what should go right here? This is also, you may not supposed to do it at home, but you ask your parents sometime this word. What word do you think this is? WH. Why? Why, Mom? Why? Go to bed. Why, Mom? I have that question asked to me all the time. If we can, say it with me. Why? 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 Good job, guys. Day winds down. We continue to talk about the CH and the WH phonics. With the WH phonics, we also use words as in whistle, 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 whistle. We whistle to call dogs. Here, Rocco. We whistle to call our dogs. There you go. Whistle. Whistle. We whistle to call our dogs. Also, we're going to give another W diagram word where we put the W and the H together to make w. We use that as wheel. 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 That's a wheel on a four-wheeler. Oh, there's another one. Wheeler. Wheeler. W-H-E-E-L-E-R. Wheeler. Four-wheeler. W. Do you hear the w? Everybody say it with me. W. Good. That's okay, great. The first letter that we are going to start, the first word that we are going to start with is cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E. Write that down for me, please. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese. Okay, and what I need you guys to do is I need you to underline the ch. Underline the ch. And when you're finished, we'll move on. Underline the sound ch. In cheese, we underline the C and the H. Ch. It gives us the ch sound. All right. The ch sound can also be at the end, middle, or in a word also, but we'll talk about that later. All right, the next word, let's go, it is chirp. Chirp is what a chicken do. Chickens chirp, birds chirp. Birds chirp. So let's write down the word chirp. C-H-I-R-P. C-H-I-R-P. Chirp. Birds chirp. Birds are chirping in the morning. Chirp. Underline the ch. Underline the ch in chirp. Good, good. We will underline the first C and the H in the word. Moving on to the next word. Sound it out with me. Ch. Air. Ch. Air. Ch. Air. What is this word? Good. Chair. Something we sit in. Something we sit in. If you don't mind, could you underline the ch in chair? Underline the ch in chair. Good. We will underline the C and the H. Ch. Air. I'm going to give you another word right here. Let's see. We're going to go with M U C H. That word is much. 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 Underline the ch in much. Underline the ch. Good. It's at the end of the sentence. Ch. Much. Much. Good job. Moving on to our WH words. We're going to start with whale. Whale as in an animal whale. A whale lives in the sea. So moving on to our WH word. Whale. Whale. Could you underline the w in whale? The w in whale. W. Underline the WH w in whale. Good. Good. The W and the H is in the beginning of the sentence. All right, moving on to the next word. The next word is whisper. 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 Whisper is what we need to do when we're in the classroom and we're talking to friends and the teacher is telling us to whisper. Whisper. Can you underline the w in whisper? Good. It would be the WH. The WH. You guys catch on so fast. Whisper. All right. Our next word. Can anybody tell me what this word is? WHEEL. Can anyone tell me that word? That word is wheel, wheel, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Where is the w in wheel? The w in wheel. Good. Same. It's in the beginning of the word. Wheel. You guys are catching on so fast. Last WH word that we will use for today would be, can anyone tell me this word? I'm going to give you guys a hint. It is a color that we use every day. It's a color that we use every day. White. Good. White. 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 Could you underline the w in white? W in white. Good. Would be the first WH word in white. And that concludes our WH words today. Wow, what an eventful day we have had today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson on breaking down words with CH and WH sounds. We use several of these words every day in our everyday life and we don't even know it. Also, I hope you guys are able to pronunciate and recognize the CH and the WH words a lot better today. Also, we use words such as well, whisper, chair, church, white, and also other words. So from now on, if you see those words, you make sure you pronunciate CH, and also WH. All right. So I'm glad to see you guys had fun today. And if there's nothing else I can do for you, you guys have a good day. And always remember, listen to your teacher. Thank you.